So guys, in this video I'm going to break down how I like to play momentum plays and pattern breakouts. So I hope you learned something from this, so stay tuned. If you like technical trading and you like just solely trading technical breakout charts, what I like to do, for example, if this stock is flagging out and it's at 248 and it's flagging just under the $1/2 break, it's flagging super nice and it meets all your criteria of what you look for in a stock, and the EMA is about to come up and meet it to confirm the consolidation of that pattern. I like to either get in at the $1/2 break or exactly above it to see the volume increase, or if it's not at a $1/2 break and it's just forming a flag and holding the EMA, another trick I like to use is during the consolidation to get in on the first green candle to make a new high. What that is doing is you're reducing your risk. Instead of waiting for the break of the flag like a lot of people do, and I like to wait sometimes as well for the full consolidation of the break of the flag, by getting in on that first green candle to make a new high, is you're reducing your risk a lot. Although you're not waiting for full confirmation of it, but you're still reducing your risk and you're taking that chance. So that can also be kind of a beneficial tip for you when you're playing them. Also, another one is that if a stock does break a flag or a pattern you're looking for, you do want to see instant gratification in that pattern breakout. If it's not, now not all the time, usually if it's not instant gratification it can fail. Sometimes it might be instant and it works. You just have to be reading all your indicators, especially the volume when it comes into plays like this. But do be aware that if it's not broken and immediately starts to run, there's usually a sign that maybe other people aren't seeing it as well as you are, and it's just the attention's not there, so it will just decay. So just be aware of it. And if that is your rule that you set into play, if I do not get instant gratification out of this trade, I'm out, and that's your rule, well, stick to it, because you're better off sticking to all your rules you have in play instead of making exceptions. So guys, thank you for watching the video. I really appreciate all your support this far. If you haven't already, please don't forget to click like and subscribe. Also, there is a pattern cheat sheet in the link below. It's free. It helped me in my trade, and I definitely think it'll help you, so go take a look. God bless. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. There is a link in the description below. I've prepared a full module of everything you need to know how to get started in the stock world from A to Z, all the way from what platforms to use to affordable education, and I go into huge detail about candles. Check that link, guys. I hope you all enjoy.